Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner in Austin here, and today I am going to be saluting on Dolittle. Why? Because I really love this movie, because I really love animals. Let's start the salute. Dolittle. Wow, this movie rocks. And this movie involves these talking animals and Dolittle, and they like to go on awesome adventures. And this movie has a giraffe, a fox, a polar bear, a parrot, an ostrich, a dog with glasses, a flying squirrel, a white duck, and a gorilla. Yep, so this movie is amazing. So do you know who likes this movie? Me and my teachers at my school. We really love this movie. So Dolittle rocks. And so does God and Jesus. Satan sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.